Today we will see in this video, real voice of famous cricketers. Enjoy this video and do not forget like and subscribe.
I'm no god. I'm Sachin Tendulkar and
I feel that this fellow is playing much the same as I used to play.
Completely new game to what the players played in the past when the game started.
Do not give up. You will win from the most incredible position.
By supporting DRWF, you will enable the continuation of funding much needed.
I was a cricketer. I'll do anything I can to win.
No cricketer can be like what we say about the Bradman, same thing like Sachin.
You got the youngsters coming in and he's saying, okay, they don't have the passion to play for the West Indies team.
मेरे को बड़े लोग बोलते हैं कि चीकू एक फोटो हो जाए.
Passion of how people love cricket.
Success teaches you to be humble in life if you are able to control your mind.
सबसे मुश्किल जो था, मुश्किल से मुराद वो शोएब अख्तर था.
And sport plays a huge part in that journey.
ऑक्सफोर्ड में से किसी को बुला लो, उसको कप्तान बना लो हिंदुस्तान का. वो इंग्लिश बोलेगा, मैं क्रिकेट खेलूंगा.
We all know Sri Lankan tourism industry has been through some tough times in the recent past.
Success with this work will not be measured by the number of kids with growth mindsets.
I did what all good-fashioned, uncommunicative blokes do. I text her from the ground.
Absolutely, and I'm very pleased in many ways to be here representing New Zealand cricket.
I've seen a program like the Autism in Cricket be successful.
I think he's amazing. He's young. He played at CSK.
It's the team, and the number one team definitely in the AFL, you know.
Enjoy every minute and live life to the fullest. And so they're the few things that I think hold me in good stead.
Sachin was different. Talent-wise, he was a freak. Everything about his rise to the Indian team, the inevitability of his success was beyond the ordinary.
All-round players in the world for the last 10 or 12 years, it has to be said. I think Joe Root's actually elevated his game to another level across all three formats.
मेरे कुछ इस जिंदगी की कुछ आखिरी लम्हे हैं तो मुझे 2 मिनट के लिए 2 चीजें देखनी है.
सो इस तरह नहीं चलेगा यार. आपको याद है जब जमाना होता था फास्ट बॉलिंग के, जब आते थे.
तो इच्छाओं की सीमा नहीं है. तो जितना अगर उसमें खुश है, उसमें आप खुश हो, तो फिर आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं होगा लाइफ में.
You'll always be respected for the way you play the game on the field. It's important just to be yourself and the human being off it.
It's like, a bit of a talk about circumstances that might confront us.
It's Brendan McCullum here. Hey, look, I'm really excited to be speaking at the Leaders Meet India in Bangalore.
আপনি যুদ্ধে আপনার দলকে কিংবা আপনার দেশকে জেতানোর জন্য সবকিছু করতে রাজি থাকা উচিত বলে আমি মনে করি.
So remember one thing in life, you are what you believe.
අල්ලි මමයි. ඉතින් ඒ හැමදේමත් එක්ක ඒගොල්ලෝ මම මේ කියන්නේ මීට අවුරුදු
खून ही आ रहा है मुझे. क्या हो गया? खेलना है इंडिया के लिए जाके.
Today I'm announcing my retirement from representative cricket, effective immediately.
We had to win the test match against Pakistan. We had lost the first test match. At lunchtime, Pakistan were cruising at 100 for no loss.
कि सबसे बड़ी शक्ति होती है छोड़ने की हिम्मत. क्या आप में वो शक्ति है कि आप कोई चीज छोड़ सकें?
What is your favorite Hindi word? My name's been turned into a Hindi word, isn't it?
I'm not giving an excuse, but I'm just saying it's sometimes it's not easy.